Hello, YouTube viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is a New Year's Day, and I am really proud that I've done the Rubik's. I was working for it for weeks, and then last night before 12, I solved all of it. So that was today. I would like to teach my daughter how to solve it.
Which is Cat Kitty.
So you can follow me because I will teach my daughter slowly so that she will learn it. Okay, you ready? This has already been scrambled.
No.
She scrambled it a lot. So.
I'm really good at messing things up.
Yeah. Look, you see this yellow in the top? First thing we need to do is to make a DC. So yellow, find the yellow.
Got it.
There you go. Then we'll make a DC flower.
I know what it is.
Since there's a white here already, so I'll find another. There you go. I got two. How are you doing there? Got three.
I already got one.
Good job.
And
You got four. Where's the DC?
There.
Can't find it. It's over here. See this? We're in the yellow. Where's your yellow now?
Over here.
Okay, you move that way so that you can load this over here. Turn it around like that, and then you have one here, so you turn around and you that's it. We'll find it there. You have it here. You put it that way. Put it that way. See, it's already there, so you turn this cube around on the top, and then you can do it that way.
Okay.
Load it.
So that's my cute. That's
There you
my
go.
cute little daisy.
You got your DC.
Yeah.
Good job.
So it looks like Windows 10.
Okay. Next thing we need to do is label the color in the center. This is blue. So where's your DC at? Your DC
My
is
daisy is right
that way.
there.
Look at my position. There's my DC and I'm positioning here. Very good. What color do you have in the center there?
Green.
Green. I have blue.
Yeah, blue. Yeah, I already have 4 squares. So
Okay, if you have blue,
in the square.
okay, you got the right. Put it a blue like this. Line up the blue.
Where is it?
There you go. And then turn it twice. 1, 2. So that two blue is in the bottom.
Two.
Very good. And then we'll find the orange. What's your color next? Other side. Orange, okay. Turn in the top. And then there's the orange. Turn some more. Your orange is not there yet. There. And then turn twice. 1 and 2. So there's the orange in the bottom. 2. Very good. And then the green. Look at my greens already lined up. What's your next color? Green?
Yep,
You
it's
already
already
lined up
lined
too,
up.
so you don't need to, you just go directly to turn twice. 1, 2.
1, 2.
Very
It
good.
looks like a little
And
person.
now I have red. What's your next layer here? You have red. So
And they're already light.
yeah, so all we're gonna do is just
I don't
turn
want
it
to-
twice. You need to turn it twice.
1,
2. Very good. Now look at you in the bottom white. Is it cross?
No.
Oh, you missed something. What you miss? Oh, I think you did the green one. What's happening? Yeah, I think you didn't do the green one. 1, 2. There you go. Got it. Okay, next we're going to do the
Can we just yank this out and take that and then put it there?
so that's already lined up. Next thing to do is this one. See this white in the corner?
Here?
Yeah. Look at it like that. The yellow is always in the top, okay? So
Okay.
you have white. You find the white. Find the color in here, in two sides with, like mine. Look at mine. I have red and green, so I need to find the red and green. So I have it, red and green. See, I have red, green, red, green. So I need to do the algorithm of right until that white will go, until that white will face down here, and that red will be here, and that green will be here. So they're the same color. So watch. Well, it's only one move. It's already there really quick. So we'll find another white with the white. See, this is orange and green. So we'll find the orange and green. Orange and green. Then do the algorithm again. There you go. Look at it. Orange, orange, green, green. So I need to find blue and orange. Let's go find blue and orange. There you go. Do that again. Okay, good. We're good in the bottom.
I almost got a daisy. Sorry, that came out a little bit high.
Yeah. Okay, get out. I need to finish this. Okay.
You don't tell your little one.
Oh, sorry. Then we have blue and red. Blue and red. So do it again until that goes, until that facing in the bottom. There you go. Then we have a white, solid white in the bottom. So next thing we need to do is put this in the side. Put this in the side here. See, this is red and blue. So I need to line up the blue color to the blue color. Let's line up. And then I'll find it. Where's the red? So the red is over here. So I need to go to the right. I need to go to the right. So what I'm gonna do? Pay attention. I need to put this red over here. So the blue is over here. So I need to go there. So this is how I'm gonna do. Turn away. Turn right. There you go. So I got that one red and blue, so they're level now. So I need to find the color there's no yellow in it. That one I can't because there's the yellow. This one there's no yellow, so I can find the orange. Go to the orange area and then find the green. Green is over here, so I need to go to the left. So I'll go to the right first, and then go to the left. There you go. I still have another one here. Then I have all yellow. That's a problem. Well, I'm just gonna do one more. Until I get that right. So there you go. Orange, 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 orange. Orange, orange, orange. Now I'm going to the right. Going to the right. Going to the right. There you go. I still have one more here. So that is going to the left. So stay away. Left. There you go. So look, we have done our solid second layer here. All around is good. Now we look at it if we are in the right place. No, we don't have the right place at all. Well, this one is the right place. Oh, we got two right place here. That one and that one. That one's good. Oh wow, we did a good job.
Mine isn't anything. don't know why.
Okay.
And I just can't.
So it's all good. So we'll try this. No. Okay. Try this one. We need to make a cross, baby. Where are you?
In bed.
Why are you in bed now? You're not learning to this one?
I can't fall.
Oh, it's okay. And then next, you can watch my movie. And then I will teach you again later. Okay? Alright. So turn it around. So, okay. Since this is all in the right position, all four corners are in the right position, so we need to turn around and face the top white layer, and then put that in there in the left, right, bottom, and do the algorithm until that will face in the bottom. So there you go. There you go. That facing in the bottom now. See that? So and then we don't turn, we just turn this bottom layer, turn it around, and put it here. And then we'll do that again. There you go. It's facing in the bottom. And all you have to do is just put the green. And then here, we got all yellow. We got all orange here, and we got all white. So what we need to do is do the final step. Ready? Okay. I'll facing in the orange area because that's a solid color. So right. 1, 2, and then make it 5.
I'm not going to be teaching
1,
them anymore.
2, 3, 4, 5. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got it. Got it. So that was the last part. Wasn't it easy? You think you can get it next time?
No, I just can't do it because
Well,
you go too fast.
we'll do it again. Don't worry, we'll do it again. Promise. So, YouTube viewers, if you wanna watch my video again and again, you can get it. It's not that hard. I had trouble solving it myself because
It took 1 month.
yeah, because most of the YouTube videos I've watched, they're really fast and I was confused, but I am proud and happy that I got it. Then I can teach my daughter,
And I am
which is tired now, so I'll teach her again.
tired.
Okay, she's not tired. See you guys later. Don't forget to subscribe if you like my video. You have a great day. Bye.